So one of the main things to consider when you're starting your senior design project is finding something that you can be passionate about, something challenging, not too challenging that you can't succeed, but not too easy so that it makes it not fun. So for our project, we wanted to tackle a real-world problem where we could apply our engineering knowledge to potentially come up with a solution that can make a difference. You'll find, and maybe you already have experienced it, but when you write something on paper, it seems cut and dry. This is how it will work, this is how it will go together. But you never know once you start putting everything together. That was one of the most fun parts and challenging parts of this project, I would say, is that we took one step forward and had to take 2 steps back because of something we could not have foreseen. And I think it's very important to have that experience where you get to actually see what it's like to take an idea from paper and actually make something that works.
So it was one thing to design the project, but it was another thing to actually manufacture this design that we made. For the manufacturing part of the design, we decided to make everything from scratch. So we decided to purchase a cart, weld a frame onto it, and we figured out that we needed a bunch of equipment that we did not have at the moment, and based off our budget, we couldn't afford. So I started making some calls, and my father actually had a welding machine and a circular disc saw to cut our beams. Learning how to use those type of equipments will help us out throughout our life.
I really want to thank Dr. James for his support, motivation, and for truly believing in all of us. I want to thank my team for their collaborative work. I would like to thank Dr. No and the Mechanical Engineering Department for supporting us throughout this project.
So luckily, we were able to get sponsored by a couple of different companies. The first one, a company named Air, they actually gave us 2 compressors and they gave us a tank as well. These components were actually very crucial to our project, so we're very grateful to them, and we really wouldn't have been able to do it without these components. And we also were given solar panels by a company called Semper Solaris as well, and they also allowed us to really make this project. We believe that there's a lot more on the table in terms of improvements that can be done to this project, and it would be a great honor for us to pass this on to another group of seniors, for them to put their creativity to work and to really make this project be the best that it could be.
All seriousness aside, I think it's really important that you just have fun with this project, make new friends, have fun manufacturing the actual thing. And I think the most important thing for the new seniors coming in who are doing this project or any other project for that matter is just to have fun with it. I'm Alex.
I'm Austin.
I'm Mosen.
I'm Eric.
I'm Zandra.
I'm Grant.
And we are Passag.